Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, what's up? My name is Caitlin, and today is time for my favorite time of the month, which is my Boxycharm unboxing. Boxycharm is a subscription service that comes every month. It's $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size to deluxe size samples, and they're makeup, skincare, hair care, that kind of thing. Usually makeup, which I prefer, and then yeah, you get this every month. And then they also have a Boxycharm Luxe, which is a bigger subscription that I think costs $50. Yeah, $50, and that's every 3 months. So you can do both, just one or the other, or you can do what I do, which is where I get this one every month, and then every 3 months I just get Boxy Luxe. So let's go ahead and dive into this guy. Opening it up, I have already pre-opened this. It looks like that. So that's the things we get in here. A lot of pink. Okay, so you do also get a card that always has the theme of the month on there, and then the details about the products. I like to save that for last, but the theme this month is totally Boxycharm. Very pink, like I said. Okay, so first thing in here I see is this guy. This is by Steve Laurent. It's in the shade Vogue. I'm not sure if this is a lip liner or an eyeliner. Let's just open it and see if we can tell. Pretty packaging. I like the color. It's like a bronzy color. Also, don't mind my arm. There are still swatches from the last video. I cannot for the life of me get them off because I'm out of makeup remover and soap and water is not cutting it. So this is what it looks like. Oh, I think it's definitely a lip liner based on that color down there. Yeah. Wooden eyeliner here. Pretty color, not something that I foresee myself using because I don't like wooden products. Also, mine is like cut. Like, can you see how it's like flat right there? Like all the words are cut off. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that or not. Focus. Yeah, it's not gonna focus, but like the words are like all cut off there. So that's cool. Next thing in here is this guy. This is by Wander Beauty. It's the Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. It's cute packaging, very pink. I'm not somebody who uses a lot of, oh, that's, mine came open, like the seal's broken. Don't love that. I can't open it. Oh, it unscrews, okay. Oh, what? It's pink. Now I'm curious. Okay, so we're gonna squeeze some out. It's pink. Ooh, I don't like that. It smells very floral, but it feels really nice. It smells like lilacs or lavender, but I like the color. No, okay, I'm gonna read the ingredients because there's definitely something floral in there. Where are the ingredients? I don't see the ingredients on here. Okay, I see black currant seed oil. That's all I see. Curious. Okay, well, there's that. Yeah, I mean, I'll use it if the scent dissipates. I'm gonna smell my hand later. That sounds so weird to say. Yeah, right now it still smells very lilac-y, but it does feel really soft. You guys see? Yeah, you can see the glow. It's a little glow there, okay. Next is this guy. This is by Tarte. This is the Big Ego Mascara. It's in the shade Black. Okay, that's dramatic results. I don't necessarily know that I believe that, but let your lashes be full of themselves. What are your claims? Confidence, a booster brush, twisted double fiber bristles for max pigment loaded, lash loving ingredients. That's all your claims? Okay. I do actually kind of appreciate that they're not like 110% increased volume kind of thing, because like none of that's ever realistic. But whoa, that's hot pink. That is a cool tube. You would not lose that. That is like fluorescent. Could you imagine this like under a black light? Also very heavy. I feel like you could do some damage with this thing. Let's go ahead and open it, which is a terrible idea, but ooh, it's a very big wand. Ugh, smells bad. Smells like mascara. I do already have mascara on, obviously, so I'm just gonna run this along like the edges. Actually, we'll just full on go. We'll full on coat it. Does that do anything? Not really, but I am already wearing mascara, so it's hard to tell when you already have some on. Okay, I am excited to give this a proper try. I love trying new mascaras, and I'm freaking in love with this packaging. This would be really pretty to display, but we will for sure give that a go. Okay, next thing are these two. I thought these were ColourPop. They're not. I'm slightly disappointed that they're not, but like, I'm down to try this too. This is by Ace Beauty. These are Glimmer Shadows. This is the shade Cotton Candy and Iced Latte. So let's go ahead and swatch. Don't smell like anything. Ooh, they feel soft. They feel like ColourPop shadows. Ooh, that's pretty. It's actually really pretty. That would have been pretty with my eye look today. Okay, I might have spoke too soon. These are pretty. Well, at least that one is. Let's see. Iced Latte. Also feels like a ColourPop shadow. Also very pretty. I think I like Cotton Candy more, but Iced Latte is probably more wearable. That is really pretty. So definitely give those a go. I feel like this box is going really quick. Yeah, it's only been like 6.5 minutes. Crazy. Last product, which I already knew we were getting, but I'm very excited about. This is by Becca. This is the Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. I'm fairly certain this came out not that long ago. Like maybe 4 or 5, maybe 6 months ago, which I guess in the beauty community is a long time. But like, I am excited about it. Can't open it as per usual, but I did almost purchase this and I'm glad I didn't. Pretty. Becca packaging is always really pretty. So let's go ahead, and I'm pretty sure if I remember everyone talking about this, keep me close to keep me cool. That's cute. This is the one that like feels like water. Yeah, there is a seal on there, which is definitely appreciated. Big truck going by. Oh. A lot of powder is already out. So let's just pick up some. Oh, there's like a net. That's cool. Okay, dropping it all over myself. So I'm just gonna pick some of this up, which was quite a bit. Oh, weird. That does feel like water. I'm just rubbing it into my skin here. Oh, weird. I'm so excited to try this. It feels cooling. Like it almost feels like when you put like peppermint oil on your lips, that kind of like slight tingle. I like that. Okay. Very excited to try this product. I think this is probably my favorite thing in the box. Speaking of box, where's my cart? Here it is. Okay. I'm all over the place. Let's go ahead and do a quick little recap. The Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder says this weightless powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel. Retails for $39. The one thing I will say already that I don't love is the packaging is definitely picking up a lot of fingerprints already, but that's okay. Next thing is the Wander Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil. It says this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. That's cool. This lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin to help restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it 1 drop at a time. $42. I don't know that I'd spend $42 on this, but I'm definitely excited to try it. Let me see. Hand still smells like lilacs or lavender. I don't know which. Next is the Tarte Mascara, and it's a beautiful bright pink packaging. It says an ultra black vegan mascara, so all you vegan users out there, this is great for you. That lifts your lashes and delivers a full loaded flutter for up to 16 hours, $23. That is quite the claim. Not gonna test it for 24 hours, but I am excited to try it. I love new mascaras. Okay, next thing, this is a lip liner. Steve Laurent, reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. It smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day. Lasts up to 7 hours. $15. So it says all day, but then it says 7 hours. I don't know, I'm kind of like down in that product already before I've even tried it, just because I don't like wooden lip liners, but it's okay. My hair's crazy today. It's crazy every day. What am I talking about? Okay, and the last thing are these two guys here. This is an Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo, so you do get both. $25. Ooh. High pigmented, soft shadows with a creamy texture specifically designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading. I will definitely try these, and they're very pretty, and I'm excited about them, but they feel like ColourPop shadows. They look like ColourPop shadows. They're in the same packaging, and they're $25 for two. So that makes them what, like 11 something? No, what is half of 25? $12.50. Yeah, $12.50 a piece. My math brain's not working today clearly, but so they're $12.50 a piece. The ColourPop ones are $5. So I'm gonna stay on that. But I do think I will maybe get use out of them, especially the cotton candy shade. I don't reach for single shadows too often, which is why I don't have a lot of ColourPop ones in my collection, but they're really pretty and I will try them. So that's everything in the box. I am excited about this box, but also slightly maybe underwhelmed just comparing it to past boxes. Like, there are definitely boxes that we've gotten in the past that I have preferred to this one, but it's still a good box. Like, very excited for this powder, excited about the mascara, love the packaging. These are cool, not something I'm like super die hard about, but they're cool. I don't care about that. I'm not gonna use it. I might try it. I'll try it, but I'm not gonna use it. And this, I'm meh about. I like the packaging. I like the color. I think the oil being pink is super fun. And I am excited for the oil, but I hate the way it smells. And so, that's kind of petty of me, I guess, but like, things that smell florally, is that a word? I don't know. I just can't handle them. Like, I don't like flowers. I don't like roses. Roses is the worst smell in the world to me. I hate roses. I don't like lilac, lavender, that kind of thing. If it's like sweet pea or something, I can handle that, or like peony, those are okay. The ones that are like not, I don't know how to explain that. They're like, there's like youthful, like light florals, and then there's like old lady florals, if you guys know what I mean. That sounds so bad. I don't know how else to explain it. I'm sorry, don't hate me. But yeah, that's everything in this box this month. I am excited about it. Let me know down below what you guys got. I'm pretty sure there were 2 variations. I don't know what the other ones were. I have not watched anybody else's videos yet because I've been waiting to see what I got, but that's everything. So like this video before you go, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more of my future unboxings. If you guys want to hang out with me more, my Instagram and Twitter are of course linked down below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.